excuse my bad English. Let's begin. Turning on the power button, which is written Dynacon and ASDER. I'm gonna tell you the story why it is written ASDER all over this PC. So this is the Magic Computer PC95. My LCD monitor is not reflecting the light. Okay, you can control it by the turbo pad. TPC number 1. Turbo A, Turbo B, A plus B, A, B, A plus B. My B button is kinda sunk in, don't know why. Start select. And you can move the mouse cursor. Also use the directional keys. So let's begin with a math test. The typing exercises. A typing game exercise. This is a note board. It's a blackboard, and you can write, please, mom, buy more beer. And if you have this memory pack 256 kilobits, not bytes, bits, you can save this message on the memory card. This is not all that magic because it cannot save the basic programs, neither your games. Wait a minute. Who cares if it's bits or bytes or whatever? Well, there's a difference. A bit is a digital true or false. It's basically yes or no. A byte is a number of bits together to form a microprocessor word. Now, there is some debate on how many bits together form a byte. You're going to hear a lot about 8 bytes. 8 bits together form a byte. That is not always true. Why? Because in the 80s the computer were mostly 8 bits. But that means the microprocessor would read 8 sequential bits to execute a command. Some were 16 bits, but not that common. Nowadays, your laptop CPU is a 64-bit system with several cores working in parallel. It is represented in hexadecimal form with 8 letters F. It doesn't matter if you are running an old Commodore VIC-20 or the latest Intel or whatever. They are all driven by a binary Morse code of zeros and ones. And the computer architecture is similar also. CPU reads a command, CPU executes the command, stuff around the CPU gets done. It could be the video on the screen, a sound, etc. And then it jumps to the next command. To learn more about what CPU does, you have 2 very good options. The site hackaday.io and the YouTube channel In One Lesson. So let's continue to our Magic Computer. Just the blackboard message. This is a tutorial how to improve your typing speed. This is Sokoban, the little box game you will see later. This is the GBasic, which is the graphics capable BASIC, you can, in theory, write your own game using Nintendo sprites and play like a Mario Maker, only a lot more harder. And if you power down the computer, all is lost. This is the FBasic, it's floating point math basic. Well, you see, I was reading about the official Dynacon computer manual, but it is very strange. It have only 2 pages talking about FBasic and is not useful at all. As it would strike me as suspicious. They kinda... Are they trying to hide something? So, after many weeks of research, I figured out something interesting. The screen cursor looks a lot like Apple Basic. Could it be? They tried to copy the AppleSoft Basic? Well, yes, probably yes. Why? Well, this computer was manufactured in a time where the world politics was divided between capitalists and communists. So they couldn't import the real Apple computers into Chinese, Arabic and Russian markets. So they tried the next best thing, they make a copy. But this BASIC is not fully compatible with Apple Basic. It have no graphics capabilities whatsoever. In that sense, it's kind of useless. It works as a learning tool. So if you one day you can put your hands on a real Apple II, you already know the basics. Let's continue then. This is a game, Magic Carpet. These two is are games. This is the... sorry. This is the text editor, this is the calculator, this is the... It's like a sound player, just to have some fun. It's not useful. This is the balloon monster, this is the calculation board. It's kind of a game, also a math teacher, but not so good. This is the musical compositor. This is very cool. I never saw that on a NES system. You're going to find this musical composition in the Mario Paint from Super NES. Okay, let's begin with the math test first. So, level 0 up to 9. I guess there's more. Let's try something. Level 0. Oh, I have time. 5. Oh, it's 2. Okay, so 9er, 6, 8, 3, 16, 4. This is hard. 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. 10. Right. Meh. Yeah, I panic. Alright, baldy little guy. Nowadays, this music is very annoying. But back when this was new, this kind of music was very appreciated by kids. You couldn't find a toy that could have played. Let me out of here. You have to press escape key so the control didn't help. Let's try something else. Next, typing exercises. Okay, as there again. And letters, writes, press escape. What should I do? Oh, it's a speed. It's a speed game. Yeah, as you probably figured it out by now, I'm an idiot. I'm sorry for that. The way this works is you put your fingers, you see those gray squares below the picture, those are your fingers. So you have to put your fingers on A, S, D, F, and the right hand you put on J, K, L, and in case of Brazilian is the cedilha. And then when a flashing red square blinks, you put the blinking finger on the right key. So it is a speed typing exercise. I don't think it have some kind of timer. When will this end? I don't know. I'm bored. Shit. At least the keyboard layout is more or less standard. Okay. Not very useful, but typing game. Guacamole. This is fun. Let's go. Oh, B, Y, B, Z, V, S, P, K, C, R. This is way better than the last program, and both accomplish the same objective. P, X, A, oh shit, S, Z, C, K, A, W, X, B, O, V, H, E, J, H, U, Y, N, K, N, D, K, E, M. Not much variety here. I'm getting the hang of it. H, D, I, X, G, Z. There's no end. G, U, D, F, D. It's faster. J, V, A, J, G, Z, U, H, B, B, Y, P, Z, V, S, P, K, R, C, B, C, O, E, M, P, shit, P, X, A, S, Z, C, K, it's faster now, X, I'm losing it, oh my god, somebody called the MIB, you have a bug, and K, N, D, Will Smith help me, M, D, H, U, H, D, Y, X, G, Z, H, U, D, F. I can't look at both at the same time. Oh my god. O, P, Z, V. I'm losing it. I don't know what to do anymore. Okay. I don't know. Oh, rats is coming down. Z, C. Okay, it's almost over. V, E, H, J, U, Y, N. No more, please. Oh, so the rat's going down just when I miss. So if I don't do anything, I'm getting a game over. Level 4. The rights only have 2 digits, so it goes to 99 and back to 0. I don't know. Also, the scoreboard doesn't make any sense. I don't know how well I went. Okay, next. I show you that already. This is the typing exercises. It's probably the same thing as the other. Let's see. Oh, lesson 1, English. Oh shit, I have time. So every day something's wrong. People are finding new ways to let me correct you, asshole. Use computer in part because computers are becoming more affordable and in part because computers are becoming more powerful. That's debatable. For mesh. What happened? It wasn't me. Processing tools. Shit. Wasn't me. The A pressed 2 times. Wasn't me. No. It's fun. Okay. Sokoban. Push start. I did. Let's see here. That's easy. Okay, so you walk and you press A. Looks easy, but on the next levels you have to understand the puzzle, or else you have a hard time. Like this one. Should I start with this box? No, I should exit. This one, I should go this way. Now, if I push this box here, I'll have to push up and then I go around. You see, let me do it. Just do it, man. There you go. Now, the problem here is, should this and this one, I cannot do it this way. So also this one I cannot do it, but I can do it this, go around, and this. Now what should I do here? I should put this box here and this box here. Now I go here, 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 and here. There you go. Now stage 3. Oh shit! The music is kinda good. Oh no. My capture device. Okay, I forgot the battery charger from the camera. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, you got the picture. I cannot exit. I have a reset button here. In a normal keyboard, this button should be the pause break, but the pause break is here. It doesn't have the scroll lock. Scroll lock is useless, so reset. There you go. I'm going to pause the video now to charge my cameras. I'll be right back. And I am also stopping the video editing here. Next episode we will cycle through the rest of the onboard software that came with the video game. But that's not all. We still have 40 games cartridge to play and 2 types of basic language to program. Wow, that is a lot of bang for your money. I'm really kinda falling in love with this video game. I wish I had one when I was a child. Well, stay tuned to the next Capybara TV. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And then